In this class, I am going to discuss about types of operators in C. Introduction to operators in C. Operators in C are symbols that instruct the compiler to perform specific mathematical, relational, logical, or bitwise operations on data. They are crucial for creating expressions and controlling a program flow. Operator is a symbol which perform operations on operands. So operands may be variable, value, or expression. Operator is a symbol. So operator, so plus is a symbol, into is a symbol. Okay, na? Plus is a symbol, minus symbol. So these are the symbols. These are the arithmetic operators. Operator is a symbol, so which can perform a operation on operands. So operands may be a variable, value, or expression. For example, I am taking here x plus y. Plus is a operator and x and y are the operands or variables which can store some value. And so I am writing here 10 into 5. Int is a sorry, multiplication is a multiplication symbol, which is used to perform operations for multiplication. So these are two are values. So operand may be value or expression. So x plus y into y plus z. It is these are the operand. These operands are expressions. Next we are going to see types of operators. So there are 8 types of operators: arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, assignment operators, equal, plus equal, minus equal, into equal. So I'll discuss relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, conditional operators, unary operators, special type of operators. Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. Assignment, we are assigning the values. Okay, na? A equal to 10, right? So a equal to 10. Okay, so like that, some assigning the values to the variables. Some relational operators are comparing the values through. So 3 equal to 3, a equal to b. So these are the comparison operators or relational operators. And logical operators, so which performs on boolean values and logical gates. Bitwise operator, conditional operator, unary operators. For example, I'm writing plus a, right? So incrementing the value of a or decrementing the value of a. And the special operators. So important points about the operators. The result of arithmetic operators are numbers. For example, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Okay. So 3 is 3 plus 5. Okay. Na? So the result of any arithmetic operator is a number, right? 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Result of relational operators are Boolean values. Result of relational operators are Boolean values, true or false. So for example, I'm comparing here 3 equal to 3. So this is the operator. So relational operators. Okay. So it compares the other 3 equal to 3. Okay. If it is true, so output is we are going to get true as output. For example, I'm writing 4 equal to 9. So it is false. I'm going to get my output as false. Result of logical operators are Boolean values. Unary operators performed on single operand, so plus a. So incrementing the value of a. For example, a equal to 10. So plus a will become 11. So plus a nothing but a equal to a plus 1. So already a value is 10 now. So 10 plus 1 it will become 11. So these are the unary operator which can perform on a single operand or single variable. Conditional operators are 3 operands. So this is called ternary operations. So miscellaneous operators, dot, arrow, and membership operators. So except unary operands and ternary operands, remaining all are works on binary operands. By using assignment operator, we can assign right side value variable to the left side value variable. For example, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, right? So 10 is assigned to the A, 20 is assigned to the B. So value is assigning from right side towards the left side. Okay. You can perform modulo operations only on integer numbers but not floating point numbers. Modulo operators will give remainder as a result. Okay, so for example, so 9 divided by 4, so 4 to the 8, so remainder is 1. So modulo operator will always give the remainder. Okay na? So this is a coefficient, this is a remainder, so modulo operator will give remainder as always a result. Okay, so for example, so 9 by 4, so answer is 2, because so this is a division operation which will give us coefficient as a result. 9 modulo 4, which will give the result as remainder, so remainder is our output. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.